Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious soup dumplings from scratch using an easy method. The magic of soup dumplings lies in their savory, gelatinized broth. You'll start by simmering pork bones with ginger and scallions for several hours to create a deeply flavorful stock. Then, chill this broth overnight until it sets into a firm, jiggly jelly. This solid broth is the key to the soupy surprise inside each dumpling. Next, let's prepare the incredibly flavorful filling. In a large bowl, combine 1 pound of ground pork with finely minced ginger, garlic, and green onions. Add a dash of soy sauce, a teaspoon of sesame oil, and a pinch of sugar for balance. The crucial step here is to gently fold in your diced, chilled gelatin broth. This ensures the broth is evenly distributed, ready to melt into a delicious soup when steamed. Now for the fun part, assembling your dumplings. You'll need a simple dough made from 2 cups of all-purpose flour and about 3/4 of a cup of warm water. Roll out thin, round wrappers, each approximately 3 to 4 inches in diameter. Place about 1 tablespoon of your prepared filling in the center of each wrapper. Then, carefully pleat and pinch the edges together to create a tightly sealed, beautiful dumpling. Finally, it's time to steam and enjoy your homemade soup dumplings. Arrange them in a steamer basket, ensuring they don't touch. Steam for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the wrappers are translucent and the filling is cooked through. The internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Serve these delightful parcels immediately with a simple dipping sauce of black vinegar and thinly sliced ginger. Enjoy your soupy, savory creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.